the angles match up, if the angles correspond. Okay? So what what is it that they've only put two angles in there and left out the third angle, and yet they're saying similar? Why? Why are they able to do that? Okay. Here's what I think you're saying. You're saying, okay, I've got a 40 and a 50, and then another 40 and another 50. But I'm missing an angle. I'm missing an angle. So what about that last angle? Has to be, doesn't it? Because those triangles have to be 180. Have to be 180. It's a triangle, it's 180. Well, oh, it's 180. It's a triangle, it's 180. Okay? 180 degrees, all triangles. So therefore, all right, those angles are 90. So we're finding that if two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, the third angles are congruent also. So we don't need a, well, we have to have AAA, but we can do it with just AA. We can do it with AA. We don't need the third angle. So I don't even need to look to see what, if I see 40, 50, 40, 50, this, I don't need this. I don't need this. They're single. They're single. Okay? That's how it works. You can get the angles congruent. If you get the angles congruent, you got singular, you got a singular triangle. These, take these two right here. Okay? Okay? All right? Definitely not the same size, but the angles are the same. All right? That's a, anyway, that's a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Both of these are 45, 45, 90. And they're different sizes. They're two different, they're different in size, but they are single. They are definitely single. Okay? So it's the angle. Now, what if you don't have angles? Well, then you got to work with size. If you don't have angles, you'll have to work with size. You go, well, what about the size? Well, as we just looked at that, they're proportional. Okay? Okay, now, okay, we typically don't do this. Okay, uh, this is not what we typically don't do it this way. Like we look at the 18, and 18 divided by 9 will equal 2. So then 6 divided by 3 will equal 6. You can do it this way. You can do it, but we typically don't. Okay? But if it does come up, then, it does work. Okay? It does work. You can take a side, like, your two corresponding sides, and set them up like that, larger over smaller, so to speak, divide. But it's not really the best way, because if you're not careful, students get confused if you're not careful. Okay. Okay, now I'm not going to do slow. we'll move on.